Hey, alright, this is Desmond. This is my first YouTube broadcast, this is my first YouTube video, and I'm gonna give you a small tutorial of the Windows 10 build 10.5.5.12 on the Lumia 520. So I hope you have fun and you get to learn some things. So alright, let's start. This is my lock screen. As you can see, it's a Mercedes McLaren. I'm kind of obsessed with cars. Alright, so you can see here we have my battery that is charging, my network, and I'm just currently sharing my hotspot. And yes, this you can see the time, date, and so much fun. Alright, so yeah, let's start now. Alright, yeah, we have now the user interface. You can see the menu, all programs. This is the menu, and something new about it is the background. No more dark backgrounds or light backgrounds. You can now customize your background with any picture you like. The screen transparency and so forth. You can check this out. You can see. And what's something new again is the search button. You can see you can search. Let me search for settings. As I tap, you can see, yeah, the setting just came up. And something people have been looking and hungered for is, wait for it, is, here we go. Now you can see the notification bar or the notification center. You can see it has like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 icons to display on your notification. And you see I can collapse it, and I can have my only 4 just like the Windows 8.1. but when I tap my expand, as you can see, I have my quiet hours, my automatic, my brightness, as you can see, from low, medium, high, automatic, my virtual private network, my location, the flight modes, my camera, all settings. When you want to connect to a second screen, battery saver when you want to take a note, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your rotation if you want to lock your rotation, and your data. And now check this out. As you can see, I don't need to tap the expand button again. All I need to do is slide again from the top to the bottom, and I have them. And I collapse them, and this notification just came from my Facebook, and the prints are commented on when I tap here on a post you tagged in. From here I can click, I can swipe this alone, I can get them out, the notifications, and so forth. I can unlock my rotation lock, I can lock it up, yeah, and that's it. As you can see, the status bar over here, you can see my network, and you can see my battery and the dates, the time, and my battery status. So let's go back to this, and let's first start with the settings. So many things have been introduced in the settings. Alright, you ready for it? So let's check out settings. Now you can see my settings. Now the settings is a lot more new on this on Windows 10. The setting is splendid, is very okay. You can see from here I can search for anything I want in the settings. I can search for VPN, you can have it here. I can search it for my data sense, you can see my data usage, or I can search for, let's see, I can search for touch. As you can see, sorry, my touch, as you can see, this is my touch. so much fun about it. So let's start with the system. As you can see, the system shows your display over here. Nothing new about display automatic. Adjust display brightness, rotate lock screen. This brightness is not automatic, and so much fun. And the notification and actions. You see here, from here you can change what's up here. Here I have Wi-Fi, so I can change where my Wi-Fi is and put my quiet hours and take my quiet hours, and so much fun. But let's leave it like this. I can change this one too. Yeah, so much fun about it. Notifications and so on and so forth. Let's go to phone. Yeah, my phone, this, that, this. Nothing much. Everything is familiar over here. So much same thing, the battery saver, the storage, driving mode, offline maps, and so much fun about it. And to show you or confirm to you that this is Windows 10, check it here. Alright, I can now change my device name if I like to. I just change mine to it's complicated, it's kinda awkward. Device information, you can see is a Nokia Lumia 520. There's a Windows 10 mobile inside a preview, or for more you can see is the build 10.0.10166.0, the firmware, the hardware, and yeah, everything you need to know. If you want to reset your phone or hard resetting, yes, then yeah, this is just about the system. So let's go to the device settings. We have the default camera. Yeah, the default camera. Choose if you have any third-party cameras, you can choose from it, but I just have my Lumia camera installed. And so much here. We have your Bluetooth. Yeah, the Bluetooth is off, and you have your mouse. Yeah, your mouse. You how you select your primary button. If we are left-hand user, you select the left, right hand, anyone you like. So the network, something new about in this network and wireless is the mobile and SIM. You can check it out. Yeah, the mobile and SIM. From here, let's go to properties. Alright, these are similar, but the new thing is under here, mobile network. You can see 3G only. We now have 3G only. We have 2G and we have 3G. And I like the 3G only because yeah, over here our network kind of sucks. Go back to 2G automatically when you choose 3G. But when you choose 3G only, you now have the yes, you can now have, you can see this with H plus, so that means high speed internet, which is on 3G only, and so much fun. You can add your internet APN access point name if you want new, your MMS APN, and your security, your SIM security. Alright, and that's my Wi-Fi here. I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi. You have your Wi-Fi sense and back, your flight mode, your data usage, or yeah, so these are familiar. So let's go back to the most interesting part of Windows 10, the personalization. Now we have your start. Now you can check this out. This is my start, so if you like, you can configure it the way you want it, and you can see the background. You can change the background. Go to browse, and let's see. Go to browse. Alright, so let's choose from this folder. Let's go and let me take this one. Yeah, alright, so I'll take the good sign. As you can see, it just changed. So here we have the tile transparency. You can add your transparency the way you like, the way you want it. Show more tiles in case you want to display more tiles. You can switch it on, you can switch it off, just anything you want. And let's see the color. If you want to change the accent color, now the new thing here is more colors have been introduced, so you can change your color, your accent color of the phone. Let me check to red. Yeah, as you can see, it just changed everything on my phone turns to red, and But one thing I like is I like matching my own accent color with my background, so I kind of let me go back to blue. Yeah, I have the blue ocean on my background screen, so I'm heading back to blue. Yeah, you can see match. And now the lights background. Let me see. Yeah, you can see the light background. It's kind of bright. But I prefer the dark much better. Alright, so yeah, this is all about the color. Sounds, yeah. Sound, yeah. The tune, the key press, the vibration, lock, and camera shutter, system alert, and so much more. The lock screen. Now, so many people might be looking for where do I put in my password in case I want to make it secure. When you go to lock screen, just go here, the sign-in options. When you go to the sign-in options, that's for me. I once use my password. So if you want to put, definitely you'll be create new pin. So I want to change it. So if I can change it, my pin was 64624. All right, I can change it to whatever I like, and well, but I don't want to change it. If you want it, you can. If you don't want the password to display, you can put never, or you can put it every time, so that whenever you lock your screen, alright, and you on it, when you take it, yeah, you can see the password. That's every time you lock your screen, the password will display. Alright, but I kinda don't want it, so it's never. Even I lock my screen and on it back, it will do this. And there is another bug, because whenever you put your lock screen, when you want to go back, it takes you to a different place. It takes you to your account settings, and this is a bug. I think Microsoft should work on it. Alright, so personalization, we now have the account. Yeah, this is what I was telling you about. It was supposed to take me back to my personalization settings, but it took me back to account settings. Yeah, it's a bug that Microsoft should work on. Your bug, your account, sign in options, work access, sync your settings, kids corner. So all this are familiar. And your, yeah, the time and language, ease of access, privacy. Yeah, the privacy network. The privacy. You can see your location, your camera, microphone, motion, account info, contacts, calendar, reduce, background. So much fun here. That's under the privacy. Now the update and security. Phone updates. The phone update give you access if you, yeah, you can see last check yesterday. The phone is up to date and so much fun about it. Your backup, find phone for developers. If you are a developer, you can try and play with them. The extras, just some bounces, some extras, something like that. So that's all about the settings. Alright. Alright, so here is the background. As you can see, my background changed. Right, so let's go to the next agenda, which is what we like to call the let's go to photos and see. Right, the photos is kind of new. Everything is new about the photos. Now you don't have to be scrolling from the bottom upwards, but now you can go upwards down. Right, so you can see all of this stuff like this. These are pictures. Yeah, kind of funny somehow. Alright, let's see this one. Now, something amazing about these pictures is photos. When you slide up, you now see everything about the picture, the information, and so much fun about it. Alright, you can see much fun. You can see the sidebar. Go to, yeah, you can go to this. Okay, the albums. If you like, you can go to save photos, or you can go to screenshots and see my screenshots. Alright, yeah, something awesome about it. Yeah, alright, so yeah, let's go to music and see and check out the music. Now it's what we call no more Xbox music, it is groove music. So check out the music. Alright, it's loading. Yeah, you can see it out. The music is, everything about the music is new. Yeah, so another bug I found there was like when you were playing the music, when you, no matter how you close the music app, it should resume back to its normal, to its play or now playing menu, but sorry for that. It should rename up to the back menu, the menu, but it doesn't. So you have to go back to the sidebar and now go to songs. As you can see, these songs, this Empire, and as you can play it, check it out. Alright, let's go to Suji. She knows. Alright, you can see, note, she knows. As you can see, that's the song play, and yeah, that's Juicy J. Alright, that's doing Neo. As you can see, the sound is okay, everything is okay about it. Alright, that's enough about it. And something you can check awesome about when you slide up. Alright, yeah, there's a small arrow over here, if you can check it out over here. So right when you slide it up, you can see there's a playlist, that's your current list. Alright, when you tap it back, it minimizes. Alright, and now about this, you can see on the Windows 8.1, it's kinda from the side to the right, but right, check it out. Alright, check this out. Alright, yeah, and so much fun about it. For more about my tutorial, you can click on my next video, you can subscribe, and I'll keep you posted. Alright, thanks people. This is me saying out.